Checking the microphone. And hello everybody. In today's video I will be designing a custom closet, and this is basically a general layout of the closet. This is how the closet overall looks like, and just gonna show you how. So we have a door, there's a crown molding that's on top, and we have a U-shaped closet. There's a heat register. I want to make sure that all the cabinets are not going to overlap, or we have to do a cutout. So I'm doing all the measurements, and basically after I measured everything, this is the layout of the closet, and that's what we have to work with. The client also sent me an inspiration image, and that's how the closet, this is the closet design. This is an idea of how they want the closet to look like. So this is just an idea, and just to give more or less of the style. So they want kind of shaker doors, a little bit of crown molding on top, and that's what, a little bit of baseboard on the bottom, decorative. So they want a nice kind of finish, custom design. They also wanted a peninsula coming out or an island in the middle. However, the closet is not that big, so that would be not possible to fit that inside. So I'm not going to be doing an island, but basically starting and just going to explain the idea and the process, and show you how the design works with these with the software. So usually when you walk into a closet, you have the back wall. There's going to be two, because it's a U-shaped closet, there's going to be two blind corner cabinets, and in these we want to put something for the tall hang. Usually I make the cabinets that are tall, so I'm gonna go into cabinets, tall, and then custom. We're gonna go 84 inches wide, 36 inches wide. Select the style of the cabinetry, okay, and basically that's, so this is so let's say we have 99 3/4. So just going to divide this by 99.75 minus 24 minus 24. So we have 51 divided minus 2-inch fillers, 2-inch fillers. So we have 47 divided by 2. That's 23-inch doors. So 23-inch cabinet. So that's a single door. This is going to be a left opening this way. The client will decide if they wanted to put the mirrors on them. I would recommend to have mirrors. This would be a nice place to have it. So when you walk in, I'm going to show you in 3D. So basically this is going to be a door you open, and then when you want to get stuff, so this could be a long hang. So there's going behind the cabinets this way and this way, and these two would be doors with the mirror applied on top of them. And I think that's a very nice way to have a nice mirror for your closet. These cabinets would go way back, so I would duplicate and kind of show how that looks. So there's going to be no there's going to be just an opening, and this is way too many shelves. So configuration, quantity, shelf, we're going to reduce the shelves, and unfortunately in this software I cannot hide it, so it'd be the shelf would be kind of on top, and so this is 24 inch, and we have a 2-inch spacer, and then the 23-inch door. So we're going to show the base. So tall panel, and let's say it's 2 inches, 84 by 24. So this is going to be our filler. This door opening this way, duplicate. These two cabinets are touching, duplicate, that's going in there, and duplicate this. So we have 1 3/4 inches to divide. So this could be a 23-inch door, 24-inch cabinet, 2-inch fillers. So let's say 1 3/4 inches divided by 2. We have 875, so we can increase this filler by 2.875, and then the same thing here, 2.875. So in a second you're going to see what I mean. So basically we have, now this is left and right, So this is going to be a right hinge door. And that's a left hinge door. And basically, so these are the blind cabinets. So now everything we built this way. So this would be a shelf with the long hang. You open this door and the cabinets kind of continue all the way, so you can store stuff behind, like winter stuff and stuff that you don't use as often. In order to understand this better, this is actually going to be only 0.875. so this is going to be in like that, and in and out like that, and then we can increase this by 2 inches. So there we go. So we have a little bit on the back. We can delete this. So that's basically a filler, and increase this by 2 inches and put a spacer in that. So duplicate, just gonna put the filler here, so that lines up. And then we have this filler. Let's say it doesn't have to be, it's going to be a 2-inch filler, 2-inch filler on this side. Bring it closer, and this is what we're kind of seeing now. So this filler I have to move slightly. Floor description, delete. So this filler goes here. Floor description, delete, so it's easier to see. There we go. So now this is the 2 fillers. This would be the 2 mirror doors. And now we continue with the next cabinet. So I'm going to use the same cabinet and put a filler at the end, just to see how much we're going to mirror these cabinets. So we have 23 plus 40, so 63 divided by 3, we get 21-inch sections. So let's go with that. So this would be a 21-inch section, and let's say this would be configuration, just an opening and an opening. So 2 openings, and I go to quantity. There's no doors, and I also don't want to have any shelves. So that's, and the dimensions is basically half and half, so like that. So we have a shelf, we have a long hang and a short hang and a short hang, and actually that's the configuration I can do here. This would be configuration opening and an opening, and this would be a much higher opening. Quantity, I don't want any shelves in here, and I don't want any shelves in here. So that's kind of like that. So we have a shelf, and then delete this cabinet and place this in the same location, so like that. Then when we open it up, you'll see, so this basically has a shelf running right across, and that has a long hang. This would be the double hang open, and the second cabinet, we need some drawers, and the options are either we do a full box 24-inch or we do a shallow. We do a shallow, and I'm not sure if it's streaming or not streaming. Okay, so both ways will work. Not sure if it's actually streaming the design. Okay, so basically we're continue to work. Now this is going to be another design, and what I want in here is I want to have 4 drawers on the bottom, and then opening with a couple of shelves. So quantity, let's say we're gonna have shelves, no, not this, 3 shelves in here, and we gonna have another double hang possibly. So that's how that looks. So 4 drawers, double hang, and then a long hang with the shelf. This could be also a shelving unit. The other side could be the same. And now again, looking at the inspiration, they want to have a mix of stuff, which is good. Okay, so that's that, and there we go. So we have double hang, shelving, drawers, double hang, long hang with the shelf on top, double hang, drawers, and double hang. So it depends. The client will have to review this and see if this is something that works for them. And just gonna add top. It's gonna add crown molding. The bottom, there's nothing. There's no countertops. So I'm just gonna add that, and that's gonna look like that. We have a nice 50-inch opening. This is a full box, so all your clothes are hidden. There's nothing that's sticking out. And basically, depending on what you want to put, how much stuff hanging you have, how much shelving you need. So this is a combination of both with the nice mirrors on the top. So just gonna save these for the client, and this would be closet design 1-2, and then this side 1-3. And if I'm just gonna take a look at the like that. -4. So that's one of the options, and this is the measurements. Also gonna save this as well. Closet design 1-5, so they can see how the measurements are. And file, save as, and also gotta save the drawing. Closet design 1. Now the second option is gonna be to create an open cabinet, an open back cabinet,